Hi students, I am Pavan, your science master. Today I would like to speak to 6th standard students. Students, in the previous class we have talked about FA1 question paper and the clarification of FA1 question paper. Students, so far we have completed first lesson and second lesson. First lesson our food, second lesson playing with magnets. And the links related to these two lessons will be given in the description box, which is right below this video. You can click on those videos link and you can understand the continuity of the lessons. Okay students, and before revealing this lesson name, today's lesson name, I would like to play a video. Please watch the video. Whom did you see in the video? What's happening around the person? That's right. What's happening? It's raining. Do you know where does it come from? Students, I hope you could expect what lesson are we going to learn in this video. What are we going to learn? Rain, where does it come from? Okay students, rain does it come from? Students, rain, where does it come from? Before I go into explanation, I would like to display a picture on the screen. You please observe the picture. Can you observe the picture on the screen? Whom could you see? You could see two girls and one lady. What's happening there? In the picture, the lady is instructing the children, and what might be the instructions? Can you predict? Can you expect? What is the lady holding in her hand? And where are the children moving? Yeah, the names of the children are Ramya and Soumya. They were proceeding to their school. Meanwhile, her mother observed them and instructed them to carry an umbrella along with them. Actually, the lady is their mother, and the children asked their mother, "Mummy, why should we carry this umbrella as it is not raining?" Then her mother said, "It's likely to rain. You can carry this umbrella along with you. It's likely to rain." And they obeyed the instruction of their mother and they took the umbrella along with them. While they were walking to their school, they were conversing to each other like this: how could their mother predict it's going to rain. Can you expect? What could she observe? She could observe clouds in the sky and the windy weather. Okay, students. She could observe what? Clouds in the sky and windy weather. Like this, their mother could predict as it was raining. Okay, students. So, here in this video, we are going to learn what? Rain, where does it come from? Students, there were some questions in their mind. Yeah, they had so many questions. The children had so many questions in their mind. How could the mother predict as it was raining then? And why do we get rains? Where do we get rains? How do we get rains? Like that, so many questions pondering in their mind. Students, to understand all of these things, we need to understand about water. Okay, what we need to understand? We need to understand about water. What are the sources of water? Can you say some sources of water? Sources means the availability from where? Okay, students. Where do we get water from? We get water from, first of all, rains, oceans, rivers, and reservoirs, etc. Students, do you know in how many forms the water is available? How many forms? In the sense, how many states? Do you know the water available in what are the sources of what are the forms of water? There are three forms of water. One is solid form, second one is liquid form, third one is gaseous form. The water is available in how many forms? These three forms. Okay, students. Yeah, let us talk in detail about these three forms of water. First of all, let us talk about solid form of water. Solid form of water. Students, did you ever see solid form of water? Did you ever see solid form of water? Take some water in bowl and put it in deep fridge. You know, deep freeze. Put it in deep freeze for some time. Put it in a deep freeze for some time. After some time, you again take it out. What you have to take it out? This bowl. Will you see the water remain same? What is this? Water. What happens to the water after some time, after you take it out after some time from deep refrigerator? The water changes into solid. Okay, this is also a form of water. What is this? Ice. That becomes ice. Okay, students. So ice is a form of solid form of water. Ice is what? Solid form of water. Ice is solid form of water. Okay, students, like this you can understand how the water is becoming into solid and ice, like that. And what about the liquid state of water? Obviously the water that we drink, this is in liquid state. Okay, the water is in which state here? The water is in liquid state. Okay, next let us talk about gaseous state. So far we talked about what is solid state of water and what is liquid state of water. Now let us talk about gaseous state of water. There are different gases present in the air. Okay, air is what? A mixture of gases, right? Can you name some of the gases present in the air? There are so many gases present in the air. So among them, water also present. Where? In air. Water is present in air in the form of gas. To understand how water is present in air in the form of gas, you need to do an activity here. Here, what activity you have to do? Again, take a bowl, take some water in the bowl. Okay. Take some water in the bowl and boil the water. Boil this water on the fire. Okay. You keep on boiling this water on the fire. After some time, what will you observe? The water starts bubbling. What? Water starts bubbling. That means after the water gets heated, when it becomes very hot, what happens? The water slowly starts bubbling. Okay, the bubbling, the water, did you ever see that? Yeah, like that. So if you keep a lid over the bowl and if you remove the lid from the bowl, you will see some fumes coming out. Yes, if you think the water present in the bowl is a big water drop, what is this? A big water drop. When you boil it, the big water drop is broken into small water drops. The fumes coming out, nothing but this small droplets. small droplets. It's a very big water is broken into droplets on boiling. Okay, see the fumes coming out, these droplets are very light weight. Okay, due to the light weight of these droplets, they escape from the bowl and gets into air and remains like a vapor. Okay, these fumes are nothing but what? Water vapor. This vapor is otherwise called form of gas. Okay, water vapor is nothing but what? Form of gas. Okay, students, did you understand what are the forms of water? Okay, this is the basic step that you can understand, and that makes you understand where does it come from, what rain, where does it come from. The basic step that you need to understand, that what are the forms of water. Okay, can you summarize this video now? What did we talk? We talked about sources of water and the forms of water. Okay, students, you observe, you understand this concept and you learn this, what are the forms of water, and you present it in our WhatsApp group, students. This is for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you one and all. Students, before winding off this video, I would like to give you an instruction. In the description box, which is right below this video, with a heading questionnaire, you click on the link, you will get some questions related to this video and answer to those questions. Okay, you will get 1 point for one question. Students, if you answer to those questions, I can understand that you are watching this video and you are learning something out of this video. Okay, thank you.